Hi guys, this is Chan here and I don't want to waste any time. Let me show you the product Dawood Islam's Place Your Link. So this is a very good tool and very vital tool for any newbies. Like with this tool you can literally display your any of the links within 25 plus sites and 30,000 plus buyers inbox. This inbox is totally created by Dawood Islam's and this is totally buyers inbox and dedicatedly buyers inbox. Okay, so email will be sent out by Dawood Islam's through his autoresponder, and your email will be displayed in front of 30,000 people. If they opened it, obviously the open rate should be good also. So apart from that, your link will be displayed inside 25 plus sites via rotator with this tool, and this is a genuine traffic and buyers traffic. So let me show you the product inside. So inside this product you will be given a training section how you can give your link, how you can display your link. So the overview section, after that the main training section. Inside main training section you will be taught that how you can give your link with your email. Okay, so you need to put your link with your email. Like if you click on place your link, you can click on this Elite Tigers group, and inside this Elite Tigers group you can put here link and you can send him after purchasing the tool with your name, and that is totally lively shown inside this demo, inside this demo video, totally on live screen. That is totally displayed. I don't wanna play the video exactly like that will be revealing this product, and that is totally unethical. Okay, so this is the inner overview. I can tell you that apart from that, the resources are given. Some of the resources are all of the resources are very good. Like the special squeeze pages are simple squeeze pages. You can download it through your email. Once you have clicked on download section, you need to put your email ID. Inside this section. Like click on get my free system, and the system will be for this fourth section. I think the email facility is not given, but for the first section you need to put your email, and the pages, which pages will be delivered to your email. Apart from that, the fourth section is also not to put your email, but a normal. You can download it, and inside regular squeeze pages, some extra squeeze pages are given. You can download them. The conclusion, I don't know what is the conclusion, I have not checked it, and the bonuses are given. I also have not checked the bonuses, but these are the upgrades. So this is the tool. The unadvertised bonuses, inside unadvertised bonus, these bonus videos are given, which is also good. The Eric Hammer's product, I thought that this is a video, and James Kennedy bonus and Mike from Mines bonus. So these are the bonuses that is given inside this bonus section, and also some bonuses. So you can place your link, but you need to care of two things. Make sure that as soon as possible you should take this tool. If you are purchasing this tool, if you want to purchase this tool after a week or maybe 1.5 weeks, I recommend you that not to purchase it. Like this traffic comes through the rotator. Now what is a rotator? Let's just think of this button, that if someone clicks on this button, they should be redirected to Google. As an example, I am telling you that they should be redirected to Google. Now I am using a rotator. Like for the first time who is clicking on this button, he should be redirected to this Google, and he is redirecting to this Google. For the next time, once he just click on the same button for the second time or third time or fourth time, each and every time he will be redirected in another website. For each and every time he will be redirected in other website, and in other website. That is what a rotator. My English is not good. I am trying to convince you. I am trying to say about this tool. I think you have got my point. I can hope that. So apart from that, that is why the rotator. That is how the rotator works, and that is why you need to get the tool as soon as possible by you. So just make sure also when you are giving the link should be an evergreen product. The link should be of a evergreen product, of an evergreen product. Like the link is unchangeable, or you can give the link of an opt-in page that is redirected with any product. You can redirect them on any product. So these two things you need to take care. So apart from that, this is an excellent tool within just 12 bucks and 95 cents, approximately 13 bucks, you can say it. It's totally set and forget system, and daily traffics are coming. You can watch, just sit back and put your hand behind your head and just watch the traffics are coming, and genuine traffic, buyer traffic, and it works in any niche. Like as I have told you, 25 plus websites over all of the niche, like the health niche, like the make money online niche, but most of them are make money online niche. As I know, this man is working on make money online niche so many days, and internet marketing, that kind of stuff. So I recommend you, if you are a internet marketing person, if you are a make money online person, then you should take it. You want to earn online money online by using the business opportunity, by using the make money online stuffs, you should get it. Okay, I highly recommend it, I strongly recommend it. So the real buyers, the newbie friendly stuffs, and no list required setting up, and no videos to make. Like if you want to purchase the Google ads, they are charging you can put your bid 50 cents for your bid. And if you also go through the solo ads, they are also charging 50 cents. 40 cents is the lowest for solo ads, and there is no limit. Go to the up, like $1 maybe, or maybe $1.20. So you can avoid all of them, and you can get 30,000 plus traffic through the email box. And the email should be going through daily, like the Dawood inside this video. I have gone through the training videos. Inside these videos, Dawood is telling that he will email to his list on a daily basis about your product. Okay, whatever your product is, your email will be sent out by Dawood, and you just set and forget system. This is totally for you. This is totally a set and forget system. So 25 plus different sites, and I think not all of the 25 plus different sites will have your link, but one of the 25 plus sites, I think, I am not sure about that. Okay, but I am sure about that 30,000 plus people will get your email, or will get an email or which is consists with your link. Okay, now the open rate, I don't know about that, and everything. So if you purchase the front end product, you will be given some bonuses, and if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given some other bonuses. Like let me show you. If you just miss the timer, knock me here. For this product, I don't know, I am telling you another time that if you are want to purchase this product after a week, don't purchase it. Okay, so now the front end bonuses are these bonuses which are displayed on this, which are displaying basically on this screen. You can check out that total 50 bonuses will be given to you inside front end product. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given 350 plus stuffs inside mega bonus box with music packs, with image packs. Most of them are software, and also the PLR product, the plugins, and all over stuffs. Okay, so vendor bonuses are coming by default. You can purchase it from anywhere you want. Vendor bonus will be waiting for you, and you can now click on this button to check out the product sales page. This is the product sales page, and there is also a discounted price for the early bird for $9 and something bucks, 95 cents. Okay, so this was the product. You can check out the product. I think I have convinced you. I have taken so much time to show you this product. I am apologizing for that. So have a good day. Thank you. I am signing out for this video. Bye bye.